Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to share something that I know a lot of you have been asking about. How to watch YouTube or use any streaming service in your car using an app called CarBridge. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in their car, this is going to be a game changer for you. Now, some of you might have heard of CarBridge before and thought that it's only available if you jailbreak your device, especially with the newest iOS updates. But guess what? I'm here to show you that you can actually use CarBridge on the latest iOS version without having to jailbreak your iPhone. Yes, you heard that right. Before we dive into the details, let me start by showing you my iOS version to prove that this method works on the latest update. As you can see on my iPhone, my iOS is completely up to date. This is important because I know a lot of you are skeptical about whether this will work if you've recently updated your phone. Alright, let's get into the app itself. I'll open up CarBridge now. There it is. As you can see, the app is running smoothly. With CarBridge, you can easily access YouTube and other streaming services right from your car's display. This means you can watch your favorite videos, shows, or movies while you're on the go, as long as you're not the one driving, of course. Now, I know you're eager to get CarBridge on your iPhone, so keep watching this video. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can have it up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for CarBridge and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.